Hello sweeties, it's Sugar here. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we're doing Love Me Hair. Inside of the box you get a wig grip. It holds your wig on if you don't want to do glues or anything like that. And you also get 2 wig caps. This is the wig that I got. It's 12 inches and I got it in the texture loose wave. This wig is pre-styled. It is super bouncy. It has a lot of body to it. The knots are also pre-bleached, but it's giving a closure type of vibe, but it's really just a C-part. You get 2 combs in the front, the glueless band, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I'm gonna let you just watch the process of how I got my install done, and I will tell you my final thoughts at the end.
Passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Hard to build and trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yep, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always. I can't blame you, no.
Okay, ladies, so I'm all done. This hair is, like I said, super bouncy. It has a nice luster to it. It's lightweight. It was super easy to install. They pretty much did everything for me. They bleached the knots. The hair is already pre-styled with these beautiful curls. It was a great no fuss install straight out of the box. I could not be happier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, stay sweet.
Pick up the pieces, just leave it for now.